What's up, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to ride a lawnmower / tractor. So it's a tractor. You can cut grass with it, but usually I just go for joy rides and stuff. I don't cut grass. So this is my tractor. Get on this thing before you sit down. If it's been out the sun, put a pillow down. You will get a little bit taller. So to start it, I'm going to push your foot on that. I'm going to push your foot on that all the way down. And then pull the key thing all the way over to here. And then put it in 4-wheel drive.